Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick unboxing and a feature overview of the Anker Soundcore Life Note. These are the true wireless earbuds, and they call it the true wireless in-ear earbuds, and Soundcore is a sub-brand under Anker, or the name that they use for some of their products. Soundcore is for the audio segment. Anker is known for its power-based products, including the batteries, power banks, the chargers, cables and adapters. But they also have quite a good presence under the Soundcore brand, but in the other markets, not in the Indian market. They finally are coming into the Indian market with some of the best options they have available in the market. So this one, the Life Note, is priced at 3,000 rupees. But what's so good in this? First thing that you see in the front, the Qualcomm AptX support. For this price range, having the AptX support, it's not common. You see usually the AAC codecs under the Bluetooth transfers, and it's not the AptX that you see, but AptX is present in this one, so that's a very good thing to see here. And what the brand is showcasing mainly here is that 40 hour of playtime. So 40 hour of playtime is including the case. If you don't use the case, the earbuds themselves have about 7 hours of battery life, which is not bad at all. And if you actually check out the earbuds after we unbox them, you'll see how small they are, and offering 7 hours of battery life for that is not bad at all. Apart from that, they have 4 mics for the clear calls. So the 4 mics thing here is that it has crystal clear calls via the 4 microphones with the noise reduction. So these are the placements for the microphones, one towards the top, towards the bottom, and the same on the other set as well. So 4 microphones, they do all the cancellation of the noise. It's not the ANC or anything around that. It's not that AirPods Pros kind of performance that you expect here, but still for a price of 3,000 rupees, if the noise cancellation is done even a bit, even the noise reduction is done, that should be good enough for you. And 7 hours and 40 hours with the charging case is what it says. And then superior sound with the graphene drivers. So they have graphene drivers which offer us a wider sound stage, and also good output in the end for the music as well as for the calls. There's also the base up technology in this earphones or the earbuds, which would do the real-time analysis and then do the audio base frequency enhancement. Also the case here is IPX5 rated, which is for the water resistance. So the earbuds, they don't themselves have any rating, but the case is IPX5 rated. So in case you have the case in your pocket with the earbuds in, it should be safe enough if you are going under the rain. And that's it for the water resistance. It's IPX5 rated, and the charging case would charge itself with the USB Type-C connectivity. It says that about 10-minute charge would give it about 1 hour of playtime, but we aren't sure of how much time it would actually take for the case or the earbuds to charge themselves fully from zero. That's what we will be testing in the coming days, and also we'll be comparing that with these. These are pretty famous already in the market. These are the Realme Buds Air, and they have a pretty good performance for the price of 4,000 rupees. So these are 1,000 rupees more than what the Anker Soundcore Life Note would be. And what would be the differences and how good would be the Realme Buds Air against this, we'll be letting you know in the future when we do the comparison. So for now, this was the box, and now let's open the package. So as soon as you open the package, these are the things that you see here. Firstly, the booklets. Let's check out the booklets here. You have an entire note for the quick start guide, or to let you know how to start pairing, what are the buttons to use, how would it work. And one is for the feedback form, and other one is the actual quick start guide. The other one was the warranty manual. You have the tap interface here. As you can see, the tapping of single time, double time would change things like going to the next track, going to the previous track, and also pausing or playing the audio. And that is on both the earbuds. If you tap it once, it would actually play or pause, and then if you tap it twice on the right one, it would actually skip to the next one. If you tap it twice on the left one, it would go to the previous track. And there are other functionalities as well. Anyway, we would be doing a separate video to let you know about the tips and tricks to use this one. But the packaging apart from that looks quite beautiful and well arranged. You have 4 different size of ear tips, and there's a USB Type-C cable, and this is the case. So this is the case for the earbuds, and it would house the earbuds in itself. So this is the earbud case with the Soundcore branding, as you can see, and it's a plastic case, nothing different, and it has all the information about the certification and also the battery information on the back. It's a 810 mAh battery case, which is quite a good capacity. So that would give you about total of 40 hours of charging, and this is how it looks like if you lift the case on the top. So in a way, this is not something that would pull out itself if you press a button. It's actually a simple pull and open the case. So again, if you push it down a bit, it would close by itself, but lifting it up takes it a manual effort here. So these are 2 earbuds, and let's take out one of them. This is how it looks like, and you can easily compare this for the design at least with the Apple AirPods Pro, because the AirPods Pro has the in-ear tips, and the actual AirPods did not have the in-ear ones. Those were the regular earphones, but this one has the in-ear silicone ear cushions, which would actually make it better in the noise reduction when you're listening to any music or also talking on the phone. So these are the tips, the poke-out tips, where this would charge the earbuds in the case. There's also the Soundcore branding towards the front of the earbuds, and also there's an indicator light. This is the touch interface. We would be anyway doing that all later. This was just to let you know about what the earbuds have to offer. So this is how you place them, and these don't have any magnetic field. There's only that magnetic tip towards the end, and whenever this sits for charging itself, it would actually have that indicator light. So that's the indicator light that shows up whenever it's charging, and the case itself has an indicator light here in case it is charging for itself, and there's also the USB Type-C port towards the back. So that's it about the Soundcore Life Note Earbuds, the true wireless earbuds from Soundcore under Anker, and they have quite a good set of features. What they say is the base of technology, and also the aptX Qualcomm audio, Qualcomm aptX support, and apart from that the graphene drivers for a better sound output as well, and the IPX5 rating. These are the major features. 40 hours of battery life in total, 7 hours for the ear tips themselves. So that's it in this video. We'll be doing a separate tips and tricks for you to let you know how to use them, what are the touch buttons to use, how does it perform, and a full review, and finally the comparison with the Realme Buds Air. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.